Many LiveCompare deliverables depend upon performance history data from production. Impact analysis and unused custom code are two examples. In impact analysis, we take a look at all of the used transactions and programs, and also WAPA objects and Fiori apps, both custom and standard. And depending upon the change event, whether it's a support pack or an upgrade or a bundle of transports, we help you focus on the most used executables to test. Unused custom code takes a look at all of your used and unused custom executables. LiveCompare has three options to collect performance history data from production. If you have the LiveCompare transports installed in prod, then you can use the LiveCompare RFC. And you can schedule LiveCompare to collect performance history data once a month, whereas you might only have 3 months worth of STO3 data in production. LiveCompare can store multiple years on the LiveCompare server. If you don't have the LiveCompare transports in production, you can use the SAP native RFC option, which requires you to enter in a temporary ID, production ID, that has the STO3 authorizations to run the function swnc collector get directory. And the third option is, if you don't have those LiveCompare transports in production and you can't get a production ID with STO3 authorizations, you can ask somebody to run SAP transaction ST03 and export the usage file and then import that file into LiveCompare. Let me show you an example of each method. I'm logging on to LiveCompare with editor access. So let's say the LiveCompare transports are installed in SAP 15, my production environment. Select the PhD tab, and you see the source dropdown. Choose LiveCompare RFC, and click Update Data. So I can see that in my SAP 15 environment, I'm using 62 distinct executables. Now let's say we want to keep 3 years worth of STO3 data. Let's change that to 36 months, and let's update it on the first of every month and click Save Schedule. The second option, which was LiveCompare transports have not been applied to production, requires us to create a temporary production ID. So right-click on RFC destinations, choose New, and let's give it a name. Select your newly created RFC destination, select the PhD tab, choose the second option, SAP Native RFC, and then click Update Data. The third option will manually upload the STO3 data. To do that, expand Data, External Data Sources, right-click, and select New External Data Source. Let's call this prod PhD for April 2017. And in the type here, select the performance history data, browse, and upload your STO3 file. And here you can choose any RFC. This is kind of like a placeholder, so choose QA or pre-prod or dev or sandbox, whatever system you have available. And you can display the sample data. Expand RFC destinations and choose a system that you use as a placeholder, and then select external data source and click Update Data. Thanks for watching.